In this video, I will show you how to set up user roles on a Discord server. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Okay, so I've currently got Discord open. Now this is the Discord app, but if you do prefer to use the web-based version of Discord or the mobile version, the steps are exactly the same. So just follow along with me. And the first thing we're going to do is learn how to create roles. So what we're going to want to do is come up to the server that we want to create roles for. So in this case, I've got this server here, and in the top left hand corner, you want to click onto the drop down box and come down to server settings. Next, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and look for the roles option and go ahead and give that a click. So you can see there's actually two roles currently. So we've got an admin role and we've got this Mude role, which is actually for a bot that I've got on the server. To create a new role, all you need to do is click the blue create role button here. And then from here, you can go ahead and do a couple of things. So you can change like the role name. So in this one, I'm just going to call it example. And then what you want to do is go through, you can choose a role color, which means the members, their names will actually change color depending on what role they've been given. So for example, I'm going to change this one to green. And what we're going to do is just go down and basically you can change like the permissions at the top as well. So if they can view channels, what they can do, who they can message and things like that. And once you're happy and you've set everything up, make sure you click the Save Changes pop-up down at the bottom. So this green button that comes up here. And now what we're going to do is learn how to assign these roles to users. So what I'm going to do is come back to the server, and for myself, what you're going to do is come to the members on the right hand side. And for the member that you want to assign a role, all you want to do is literally right click onto their name and you'll see the option for roles down at the bottom. So from there, what I'm going to do is tick to set the example role on this one. And you'll notice that my name has changed to green, which, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to, you can set a color for the role, so it's easier to see who's got what role. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you did drop below the video, left a like, and also considered subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.